Now let's compute this limit of this function here, which is x minus a over the square root of x minus a, and we want to find the limit as x goes to plus infinity. First, we need to make sure that this fraction is defined, and this happens when x is strictly bigger than a. Okay. Next, we see that the limit of x minus a is plus infinity as x goes to plus infinity, and the limit of the square root of x minus a is plus infinity as x goes to infinity. That means what happens to this one as x gets bigger. So when x gets bigger, this quantity gets bigger as well. The same thing for here. Now, so we have infinity plus infinity over plus infinity, and we can't conclude. Okay, so we can't conclude here. We need to do something extra to find this limit. One way of solving this one is that we can multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of x minus a. Let's do that. So we have this limit of x minus a over the square root of x minus a as x goes to plus infinity. So the limit as x goes to plus infinity, x minus a over the square root of x minus a. Okay, we multiply top and bottom by the square root of x minus a. So this is just 1. Okay, under this condition here, this is always positive and defined. So next, we see that we can simplify, because we see that x minus a over the square root of x minus a times x square root of x minus a over the square root of x minus a is going to be x minus a times the square root of x minus a, but on the bottom we're going to have the square root of x minus a squared. This is a positive value, and when we square it, we're going to get x minus a. So we're going to have x minus a times the square root of x minus a over x minus a. So now this value is positive, okay? Because we are assuming that x is bigger than a, and it's never 0, so we can cancel out by this value. And therefore, our limit now is, remember here, so I'm just computing this part. So this part gives me this one here, the square root of x minus a. Therefore, this limit is the same as the square root of x minus a. But this is just infinity, because x is bigger than a, and as x gets bigger, this number gets bigger, and therefore it's plus infinity. Okay, so the limit here of this quantity is plus infinity. Okay, and therefore we can specify a. So we can say that the limit of x minus 1 over the square root of x minus 1 is plus infinity as x goes to plus infinity. We can choose any a, okay? Any a we want. We can say that the limit of x plus 3 over the square root of x plus 3 as x goes to plus infinity is plus infinity. Okay? So here our a is minus 3. Okay? And we see that we found the limit that we want. Okay? So this is a quick way to find this limit. Another way that we can do, we can change this variable here, and we can bring this limit to 0. Okay? Okay? Or we can do a change variable by letting x equals, or let x be 1 over y. Okay? But anyways, this is just a simple algebra that helps finding this limit. Thank you very much.